Amit Bhardwaj is now joining me on the phone line. Amit, absolutely scary visuals as and when we were referring to how barely a few hours expected rainfall has happened. If there's waterlogging on one side, people are facing inconvenience in knee-deep water, and then a roof collapses of the Delhi airport.
Right, Pooja. These are the scary visuals that are coming from the T1 terminal of Delhi Airport, where the roof has collapsed. Apparently, this has affected the departure of flights from the Delhi Airport as well. And a couple of people appear to be injured in this particular instance. And we are given to understand that Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has instructed the officials to be on the ground, and the ground staff is working to control the situation. And along with this, he is also possibly rushing to the spot. That's what we are given to understand right now. But yes, the sudden heavy rainfall in the national capital has led to this situation. Blockade and, problem on one side, but the situation in Delhi airport looks like concerning right now. Back to you.
Still raining around you. What do you see? Has there been waterlogging also that has been reported? And I must add here to the viewer, when I was driving early this morning when it was raining heavily, even in the NCR region, which is Noida, there was waterlogging seen in certain parts. We'll try and consistently get our reporters, because it's difficult to even right now wade through. This is the airport, but to reach to the airport, you have to go through waterlogged streets. We're talking about the national capital. There cannot be any excuse at all, whether it's the drainage system or the infrastructure, because this is not a surprise event of the rainfall. It's a monsoon season arriving, which hasn't even arrived officially. So the Indigo for now has cancelled cancelled all their operations of departures at the T1 airport in Delhi. So it would be advisable for anyone taking that aircraft, but I'm told that all operations of Terminal 1 are suspended for now. We'll try and get you more details on which other airlines does this include beyond the Indigo. But for now, absolutely concerning visuals. Remember, this could have been anyone. These are cabs that are parked for barely few seconds. Possibly they could have been taking shelter because of the heavy rainfall right outside the airport premises as well. And a whole roof that has fallen on unsuspecting people. This deserves a full-on investigation. I just want to read out what Civil Aviation Minister has said. Civil Aviation Minister has given out a statement adding that he's closely monitoring the roof collapse at T1 Delhi Airport. Ram Mohan Naidu has said first responders are at the site. Also advised the airlines to assist all affected passengers at this. Let's hope that people have been able to immediately be rushed to hospital and have got treatment for now. We'll be tracking. It's the big story from airport. All right, so that's a big news, and this is heavy rainfall of barely few hours. In many ways, one of the first big rainfall downpour that has happened, even before a full-on arrival of the monsoon season, which was supposed to have brought respite. Remember, Delhi NCR northern belt has been reeling under intense heat wave. People have died because of the soaring temperatures. So this arrival of the rainfall, I can tell you, brought relief to all of us who reside in this belt. But when incidents of waterlogging emerge, and after this roof falling, it also begs a lot of question of the sort of infrastructure development that's also witnessed. Amit Bhardwaj is joining me. Amit, I understand that this is an accident, that this is an incident, but there will be issues of precautionary measures, maintenance, all of this will have to be questioned. This wasn't even a full-fledged rainfall. It was barely a few hours early this morning.
Pooja, that's what happens when you have the first rainfall in the national capital happening, we wait for drizzling, but sometimes, quite often, in fact, we have seen in the past years that when the monsoon knocks, it suddenly rains heavily in the national capital, and that leads to this situation. But again, coming back to the Delhi airport situation, yes, what you are pointing at, the infrastructure development aspect and the safety concerns are there, and possibly it will be, focused upon more because of the incident which has happened at the T1 terminal of the IGI airport. And what we are given to understand right now, Pooja, is that Civil Aviation Minister is also rushing to the spot to take stock of the situation himself. And yes, possibly, we can hope that from here on the infrastructure safety measures will.
That's a good, at least an update coming in, Amit, because the minister showing and reflecting. Ram Mohan Naidu is one of the youngest ministers, and for him to be rushing to the airport is at least a good measure, because the minister then by himself will see what is unfolding on the ground. Civilization Mantri is about to reach the airport is what we are told. There's already a political showdown. And this is what happens in the country. Congress party has jumped in early this morning to target government at the centre, which is the NDA. Now, this is Srinivas of the Congress party who has said, not just a paper leak, referring to the NET, whole country is leaking right now. This is, of course, a reference to the roof at the airport that leaked and then collapsed on unsuspecting passengers. More and more, as I can see as I scroll through the social media, Congress leaders, Congress workers are targeting government of the centre and the NDA and Modi 3.0 government over what unfolded at the Delhi airport. Aam Aadmi Party perhaps will be more cautious of it, because they run the administration as an elected government in Delhi, where the streets have reported extreme waterlogging. Another and again at Minto Bridge, where vehicles have been submerged and have affected as well. This heavy rainfall in Delhi and NCR have given us these visuals this morning. On one side, there have been waterlogging, unexpected waterlogging in several parts of Delhi, but this is the visual everyone's been talking about. If you woke up and you're tuning into India Today right now, at the Terminal 1 of Delhi Airport, where operations have been temporarily suspended, a roof has fallen on the vehicles.